Hey there, guys. I've got a package in here today from YoYoExpert.com. So, yeah. This is like the third thing I've ever ordered from them. So let's open this puppy up. Get my keys. Alright. This thing is so freaking hard to open. There we go. Okay. So, we got some bubble wrap, fun stuff. We've got the New Velocity. Ooh, the packaging's kind of torn a little right there, but oh well, it's okay. It's not really for me, it's for one of my friends. We've got our 5 neon string and the AdegleYoYos PSG. Some Yo-Yo Factory Thin Lube for long spin. And the Glow Mod Yo-Yo Mods glow sticks. Wanted to try those out. We've also got another wonderful YoYoExpert sticker. Trick list, I think. Yep. And order receipt. And nothing else. No cards. Alright. So, there's nothing really special with oil. I can't believe I just ripped the packaging since I'm like a packaging freak. I love good packaging. So, here's the lube. It's in a clear bottle. It's got Yo-Yo Factory right there. So, I guess now we'll unbox the PSG. I believe I ordered the solid green, or no, solid blue. But I love the packaging. It's so simple. I love simple packaging. Anyway, yeah. Oh my god, what's up with this? Alright, there we go. Oh, yeah, I got the blue one. And nice. It's a nice cheapy throw. It's for the price, it's really good. Plastic. I love plastic yo-yos. It's got some nice weight on the sides to it. Guess the gap would be good for thumb grinds or finger grinds. But probably not because that's slick. And then it comes with one extra kitty string. They all come with kitty string. That's what I like about them. So I'm gonna change out this yellow because I'm not a big fan of the yellow string. Anyway, so there's that. There's the packaging. It's just like toilet paper to me. I love that. That's just the simple. And then it's also got the stats here on the bottom. That's really cool. Now we've got the New Velocity. Oh, I don't want to rip this. Bad enough. Comes with tan string. It's weird. So yeah. This is from my friend. He said I could unbox it because I paid for it. He's just paying me back. But, yeah, it's got a small bearing on it. You got spacers. Small pads. They look big, but really, in reality, there's like a white rim around them. It's nice. It's a cool yo-yo. I believe it has the dial spin. You can go from unresponsive to responsive. yeah, there's that. And let's take a look at the Adegles. Ooh, that's loose. Yeah, it's pretty loose. So, yeah, it looks like it's got silicone. It's greased up in there. Looks like. The spacers come loose, so you don't need any tool to remove them. There's the spacer. It's really light. Yeah, and it's got a side C bearing. And then a little bit of a wobbly axle. But yeah, I'm not going to take the caps off. I don't even think you can, to be honest. But, yeah, I can. It doesn't spin long. I'll just lube it. But, yeah. So, that is the Adegles. Oh yeah, it tightens up like that. Alright. So yeah, these are the Adegles. Pretty excited about this one. Looks like it's got a lot of potential. The New Velocity. It feels like Grind Machine, but smaller. It's smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but yeah, it's nice. It's got some stickers on here. You got Velocity, it says. And then it says the Yo-Yo Factory right there. So, yeah. Here is everything I got. I got the orange strings. And then, for my Shackler yo-yo, my North Star, got the lube. Yeah. And, some awesome stickers. Oh, and the glow mods. I want to try these out. So, yeah. I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. And, have a good day.